My ears had heard of you, but now my eyes have seen you. Job 42, verse 5. As we read in Job 40, 41, and 42, God continues his response. It is not to crush Job, but to elevate his understanding. He speaks of Behemoth and Leviathan, the massive, mysterious creatures that symbolize chaos and power beyond human control in God's message. If you can't even tame the wild things I've made, how can you question the one who made them? Job doesn't fight back. He humbles himself, and that is when he sees that what he needed most wasn't an answer, because what he needed most was awe. And in that awe, God restores everything Job lost. Science explores creatures like Behemoth, the depths of oceans, and the chaos of storms. But it's faith that asks why these things exist at all. Science reveals how creation works, and faith reveals who's behind it. One explains the systems. The other introduces us to the Creator. When science and faith work together, they don't clash, they harmonize. Job's story ends with restoration, and not just of his fortune, but of his perspective. Pain didn't win, awe did. I pray that God works his will through you today. Amen.